Coming up ahead of us is the Main Street station for the Disneyland Railroad. We expect the Disneyland Railroad to open up sometime tomorrow. Main Street is a replica of the turn of the 20th century Midwestern town. We have all modern conveniences such as electricity and telephones, as well as horse-drawn trolleys and gas lanterns. Coming up ahead of us is the Emporium, the largest retail store here at the park. Coming up here on the right is the Main Street Cinema, featuring 6 Walt Disney cartoons on 6 separate screens. Also coming up on the right is the Market House, featuring Starbucks coffee, as well as no Starbucks line for now. Coming up on the right down the alleyway, you'll find the lockers. Coming up here on the left is the Penny Arcade. For penny, nickel, and a dime, you give away a good time. Coming up here on the right is the Plaza Point, featuring holiday decorations. Also coming up on the right down the alleyway, you'll find the Baby Center and First Aid stations. We're now coming to the entrance of Central Plaza Gateway to the theme lands here at Disneyland. Over on the right we have Tomorrowland. In front of us we have Fantasyland, gateway to Mickey's Toontown and It's a Small World. To the left we have Frontierland, and to the extreme left we have Adventureland, gateway to Indiana Jones, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Haunted Mansion. We're now coming to the end of our journey. Please remain seated till the bus comes to a full and complete stop. Please make sure you have all personal items when exiting the bus. Thank you and enjoy the day here at the Magic Kingdom. Those of you on the top level, please be sure to use the handrails when coming down the stairs. Thank you.
Alright, here's Sleeping Beauty's Castle, iconic since 1955 when the park opened. Here we have the Frontierland. If you go down that corridor and make a right at Thunder Mountain Railroad, you will find yourself at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Over here we have the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, and down that corridor the Baby Care Center, First Aid, and a place to reunite with your lost children. Over here we have the Candy Palace. If you look inside the windows to your right, you can often see the candy makers busy at their work. And up ahead on the right is the Carnation Cafe, a delicious breakfast, lunch, and dinner served in an outdoor dining environment. While on the other side of the street is the Market House, delicious Starbucks coffees, iced teas, frappuccinos, and down that corridor, you'll find the Main Street Lockers. Over to the right is the Emporium, where they carry nearly every souvenir in the whole park. All right, folks, we're coming to the end of our journey, but we're not quite there yet, so everybody please stay seated. I would like to remind you, when you do leave us, to gather your belongings, watch your children, watch your step. Please make sure that you are using the handrails. Also, everybody will have to exit at this point, as this vehicle will be taking part in the afternoon cavalcade.